Hi, I'm Vishnu, and I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever experienced this annoying, buzzing wind noise while riding a bike? Absolutely yes, I guess. Well, it's not really annoying, but it's also hazardous. The faster you ride a bike, the noisier it gets, and it makes hearing very, very difficult. And you can't hear your surroundings. Nevertheless, it has contributed to a lot of major and minor accidents over the years.
There are some statistics that have been recorded just 2 years ago. The following are some types of cycling accidents. We can see that accidents happen during the peak hours due to bustling noise pollution. As said, wind noise cancels the surrounding noise, which makes it difficult for cyclists to be vigilant even though their eyes are always focused on the road. According to the 2012 National Survey of Bicyclists and Pedestrian Attitudes and Behaviors, nearly a third of all injuries are caused when bicyclists are struck by cars, mostly hit and run. Cyclists are helpless because they can't see any car speeding right at the back towards them. Statistics prove it all. Also, the percentage of fatality is quite high compared to serious and minor injuries.
In the year 2014, total number of deaths caused by wind noise is 21,287. This figure includes the death of a child and also all the adults combined.
There are solutions to this. Engineers came up with a helmet that has flaps by the sides. These helmets disperse the wind away from the ears. These are a few examples of designs that engineers have come up with. Based on surveys and researches done, cyclists would rather have this wind reduction design mounted onto their cycling spectacles, which is the challenge we have taken up in order to design a suitable and more preferable spectacles for cyclists around the world.
Hi guys, as you can see, I'm in my car and I'm about to go knock some cyclists down. Nah, I'm just kidding. But even if I was, they would be wearing our wind noise cancelling spectacles. So they would be aware of my car heading towards them. Wind noise cancelling reduces a staggering 45% of cyclist accidents around the world. How will wind noise cancelling spectacles work and how it may help you, you may ask? I have the answer right here. That 45%, out of that 45% due to carelessness, 35% of that 45% of people have said that they don't know, they are not aware of what happening in their surroundings. Whatever that's happening, they are not aware of it. They can't hear cars coming to them, they can't hear the honks. They probably would, and it will be too late. Boom! Accident. Right? So, we have designed spectacles with the flap on it, and our flap consists of a polyester woven two-way micro stretch. Okay, this polyester, why we have chose this is because it is actually a wind-proof material. As you can see, it's not wind resistant, it's wind proof. So therefore, no matter how much wind hits onto it, it will actually divert the wind from the ears, away from the ears, so that the cyclist can actually hear and they're actually aware of what's happening in their surroundings. So by doing this product, we get to reduce all of this. We get to reduce the risk of injuries while riding a bicycle. We get to reduce the hospital bills that they have to pay every single time they go to the hospital, even for a small wound. Alright? And we reduce the need of other people being there around to help them around when they are injured. Alright? And even it could be fatal sometimes, guys, so be very, very careful out there. Okay, our spectacles and our flap comes in a few different colors, so aesthetic wise, it's amazing. For you guys out there who actually are more waving on one side of a product, you can actually pick from a range of products of different colors that we have. Alright?
So this is the flap used for our spectacle design. It's very aesthetic and it comes with all types of colors. This is an example of a color for our specs. Thank you. Based on the research and analysis obtained, my teammates and I are requesting 500 ringgit to start prototyping our specs. We also request an extra 200 ringgit to complete our final working product. Thank you.